Welcome to Technology in the Future. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at Apple's most rugged smartwatch yet, the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 3. With a potential release lined up alongside the Apple Watch Series 11 and SE 3, there's plenty of buzz around what Apple could deliver this year. So if you're wondering whether it's worth holding out for or upgrading to, stick around. We're breaking down everything that's rumored, expected, and speculated. Apple Watch Ultra 3. Expected upgrades. The Apple Watch Ultra 2, while solid in durability and battery, brought only minor cosmetic changes. This year, however, Apple is likely preparing a meaningful upgrade that includes performance enhancements, health tracking additions, and connectivity improvements that could make this one of the most versatile smartwatches to date. Faster performance with a new chip-bone major expectation is the inclusion of Apple's latest chip, likely the S11 SiP, which would put it in line with the newer series models. With every generation, Apple improves power efficiency, responsiveness, and app loading times, all of which can make a huge difference in real-world usage, especially for fitness tracking and navigation. Health features, blood pressure monitoring on the horizon. Perhaps the most intriguing feature is blood pressure awareness, a function that's been rumored to detect anomalies rather than give precise measurements. If implemented, it would act like Apple's sleep apnea detection feature, alerting users to potential health issues before they become serious. Next-gen connectivity. 5G and satellite messaging. On the connectivity front, we're expecting two big changes. Reduced capability 5G for stronger cellular connections when your iPhone isn't around, and the addition of satellite-based messaging, a huge deal for outdoor adventurers and anyone who ventures into low-signal areas. Think emergency messages, location sharing, or basic communication, even when you're off-grid. Display enhancements with LTPO3 technology. Apple may also bring a brighter and more efficient display using LTPO3 OLED tech, potentially boosting brightness by up to 40%. Outdoor visibility, especially under harsh sunlight, should improve significantly. Also, we may see a slightly larger screen, possibly expanding to 2.12 inches, offering better clarity for maps, metrics, and media controls. Battery improvements and faster. Charging battery life is already a strong point of the Ultra lineup, but Apple could take it further. Rumors suggest a new coil design for faster charging, paired with internal optimizations to extend usage time. Ideal for hikers, athletes, and travelers who can't always plug in. Rumors of a built-in camera? One surprising leak suggests the Ultra 3 could include a built-in camera, not for photography but possibly for machine learning purposes, gesture detection, or future AR features. While this is speculative, it hints at Apple's long-term vision for wearable AI. Price expectations. The Ultra 3 is expected to stick with the $7,999 price tag, keeping it firmly in the premium category. While that's no small expense, it aligns with the level of durability, technology, and outdoor focus Apple delivers. What might be missing? Despite the improvements, a few long-awaited features may still be out of reach. Blood glucose monitoring, a top request among health-conscious users, is likely still in development. Additionally, due to legal challenges in the US, blood oxygen features might be limited or temporarily removed. Final thoughts. Should you upgrade? If you're using the original Ultra or an older Apple Watch model, the Ultra 3 could offer a substantial upgrade with faster performance, better health tracking, stronger connectivity, and improved battery life. However, those who already own the Ultra 2 might want to wait unless satellite messaging or the health features are game changers for you. That's a wrap on today's deep dive. As always, we'll keep you updated on any new leaks, announcements, or features as the launch date approaches. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss future updates on the latest in wearable tech and beyond, only here on Technology in the Future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.